here in Jamaica to surprise my mommy. She don't know that I'm here, landed in Jamaica. Started the vlog late, but yeah, I haven't been here in like 7 years, so surprising mommy today. Spending a week vacation. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. Feel alright. We need some sleep, need some food at least. But yeah, apart from that, excited. I'll be more excited tonight to see me and rest of my family and sisters and stuff and friends. But yeah, yeah, we're just exhausted. We did a lot.
Prepare for arrival.
Short minute as well, but thank God we landed safely in the country of our birth. And yeah, we're going to enjoy it as much as we can. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy it too. You know, I'm gonna do the true too.
That is so pretty.
Ready? Alright guys, I'm back again. So my mommy reached. So I'm just pulled up over there. She coming out the car. She got great sugar. So you come out there. See, she start making noise already now. Alright. So me have I rode the little corner for surprise her no. Alright. When her back turn. Can't even go there. Alright, my wheel suitcase already. Alright. She don't realize what going on, you know. Alright, sneak attack now. Hey lady, don't move, you know. Well, go ahead in. You know, for surprising, man. You know, for surprising. You know, for surprising.
Oh God, mama, not
we have a surprise, man.
Rancho, that's for the baby. Rancho, for the baby.
Oh God.
My aunt and we the car.
Ready, bring the baby now. And she now wake up, you know. She still asleep.
Oh God.
Love you.
Oh Lord, thank you, Jesus. Ma, why you for do that? You're gonna get a heart attack.
Stop crying, man. Tears
I'm gonna let it cry.
Same thing I'm going home to do.
Oh God.
Oh, I get pick up too?
Yes, just now.
Oh?
Margaret can't do that. Suppose me have high pressure. And mama kept on at the heat, don't it? She's so sweet. Margaret can't do that, man.
No, you're not going to keep her more. You not got the people them work. Come got the people them work. Later come by.
Come on the 15th member a month for go back at work.
Yeah, check me account and you go on.
Oh my God. You are my baby. Take a picture of come.
Come on.
Take the moment, man.
Come here then.
Come here then.
Hey, say sneak up too good.
Tweet.